All right, so today what we're going to do is we're going to continue with IED Unit 7, Activity 7.1, which is dimensioning. And yesterday, or in my last screencast, we did part number 1 of that assignment, which was datum and aligned dimensioning. Today, what we're going to do is part number 2, which is going to be chained and unidirectional dimensioning. So we're going to get that started and show you what that looks like. So notice I already have my title block template open. This is where you're going to start every drawing. Now, so we go to place views and we go to base. And this time we want to find 7.1 number 2, which is the chain dimensionings. And I'm going to hit open. And it looks like that 1/4 size is a little too small. So I'm going to change the scale to 1/3. And that should be good. Remember, we start with our multi-views. So I'm going to move the front view down to the lower left. Wait till my mouse changes. And then drag up for the top view. And drag over to the right for the side view. And then I'm going to hit OK. So I'm now ready to start dimensioning the chain dimensions. And remember last time we did datum dimensions, which was all from one single line, either on the bottom or on the left. This time we're going to dimension things a little bit differently in a chain form. So we'll show you kind of what that looks like. A couple things to remember. Don't ever dimension hidden lines. These lines will be covered in other views of the drawing. So let's get started. We'll go to annotate. I'm going to grab my dimension tool. So chain means that I'm just going to kind of go across, and I'll start from the left side. I'll bring that up, hit OK. So there's my 1 inch. And I'm going to keep working my horizontals over as we go. So notice how things start to get chained together. That's why they call it chain dimensioning. So I'm going to bring that over 4 inches. And notice how I'm starting off from the previous line and then dragging that up. So we have everything all together in a chain. Now, the other thing that we want to show today is unidirectional dimensioning. Last time we did a line dimensioning, so we switched the vertical dimensions to have the numbers read vertically. This time we're going to leave them in place. So let's chain dimension our horizontals. So I'm going to go here, drag that out, hit OK, grab my next line, drag that out, and grab my other line, and I'm going to drag that out. So that's everything that you need right there from the front view. I'm going to let you guys pause the video and do the top and side view of the dimensions on your own. So welcome back. Hopefully you have done the top and the side views. So now we're ready to finish our part drawing. So I'm going to go to place views again, and I'm going to go to base. And I want to bring in the same drawing that I just had. And this time I'm going to hit the home button so I get an ISO view of it. Move that up to the top right. Make sure it's shaded. And then hit OK. And so if you notice, there we have an almost complete drawing. Then the last thing to do is change your field text. So I'm going to change this to 7.1 number 2 and call it chain. There's my name, scale 1/3. And for some reason, they don't let me change the creation date. So just leave that alone, hit OK. Now, the last thing, remember, go to Save As, so you're always starting with a fresh title block. So I'm going to go to Save As and put this in my Teacher Resources folder and call it 7.1 number 2. Whoops, number 2. Save. And then that drawing is complete. Thanks for watching.